Welcome, I am excited to introduce you to our company, Technical Solutions. With over a decade of experience, our team of professionals specializes in software installation for heavy machinery, trucks, buses, forklifts, engines, light vehicles, cranes, and generators. We understand our customers' needs and aim to provide efficient and guaranteed solutions that deliver results. Everything you need in one place. If you haven't visited our website yet, I highly recommend watching this video as I guide you through it. You will find useful information about what we have to offer. Our company specializes in software, manuals, wiring diagrams, catalogs, and diagnostics for many brands of vehicles, all in one convenient location. In addition, we offer a comprehensive laptop package that includes everything you need to get started. It includes a Panasonic Toughbook CF54 with 45 softwares installed that features an Intel Core i5, 14-inch screen, a 16GB RAM module, a single 2TB disk, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Windows 10 Pro. Some of the powerful programs that come with this package include Caterpillar SIS, Detroit Diesel Diagnostic Link, John Deere Service Advisor, Volvo TechTool, Cummins Insight, Komatsu CSS, Liebherr Leidos, Norgan JPRO, Isuzu IDSS, Navistar Engine Diagnostics, and many other useful programs. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest news and offerings from Technical Solutions. We welcome you to join our community. And thank you for watching this video.